The future of Microsoft SwiftKey seems to be very uncertain. This is especially after Microsoft announced its plans to get rid of the app on iOS by delisting it from the Apple's Play Store in 2022, but Apple decided to withdraw from these plans shortly and continue supporting SwiftKey on iOS. The tech giant has been pushing new updates and features for the app of Android and iOS, including AI-based capabilities. You can now search the web and chat with Microsoft Copilot directly from the third-party keyboard. You can even use the AI assistants to text your girlfriend. For a while, we know Microsoft is subtly branching away from the Bing brand. The company has rebranded most of the products and services with the Bing brand, with that includes Bing Chat and Bing Image Remover. It is only a matter of time before the changes started rolling out to Microsoft SwiftKey. Microsoft has replaced the Bing icon on SwiftKey with the new Copilot icon. This is true for Android users since the change started rolling out a few weeks ago. If you are dabbling with Microsoft Copilot, for some reason you can expect similar experience on Microsoft SwiftKey. The new Copilot icon is lodged at the top right corner of the virtual keyboard. As usual, tapping on the keyboard launches the service, so you can ask for queries about a specific topic and get more response quickly. It also ships with a compose section. Yes, it's exactly as it sounds. It lets you leverage Copilot's capabilities to write messages. It's worth noting you can describe the kind of text you like the tool to generate. You need to select the length, tone, and format it should follow. The update also ships with OpenAI GPT-4 Turbo for more accurate responses. As spotted by Windows' latest image creator from designers has been moved to the emoji section of the keyboard. You can use it to generate